Hello everyone. So today we will start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is non-finite verbs. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 5 non-finite verbs. Verbs are divided into finite and non-finite. Study the following sentence. हम verbs को divide करते हैं finite और non-finite दो parts में. Number 1 my friend goes to office daily. मेरा friend जो है वो रोज ऑफिस जाता है. My friends go to office daily. अब sentence 1 में verb goes के has friend for its subject and the verb goes is limited by the subject third person singular number. We therefore call such verbs finite verbs. Sentence 1 में verb goes जो था it has friend for its subject और verb goes limited है by the subject third person singular number. तो हम इस तरह के जो verbs हैं इसको कहते हैं finite verbs. जितने verbs हैं indicative, imperative और subjective moods में वो finite है because वो limited है by the person and number of their subject. Sentence 2 में word go agree करता है with the subject and it is determined by the subject. Friends, plural number, such words are called finite verbs. अब नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब्स को हम डिवाइड करते हैं तीन क्लासेस में. इन्फिनेटिव्स होता है टू बिकम, टू नो, टू टेक. पार्टिसिपल्स गोइंग, सीइंग, डूइंग, गॉन, सीन, डन. ग्रांट्स स्विमिंग, सिंगिंग, ईटिंग. नाउ कम्स इन्फिनेटिव्स. इन्फिनेटिव्स क्या होते हैं? इन्फिनेटिव एक नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब होता है, को प्रिसीड होता है बाय टू वर्ब उसके साथ लगता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल टू डू, टू स्पीक, टू डिस्कस, टू सीक, टू हेल्प. यूज ऑफ इन्फिनेटिव्स. अब इन्फिनेटिव्स का यूज कहाँ करते हैं? इन्फिनेटिव्स को आप यूज कर सकते हो एज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ वर्ब. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल टू रिस्पेक्ट आवर एल्डर्स इज आवर ड्यूटी. टू रिस्पेक्ट, टू err is human, to forgive is divine. As the subject of the verb, for example, he refused to obey the orders, he wants to play hockey, everyone please to go. See as an adjective, like for example, noun plus infinitive. Please give Anita this clipboard to write on. Harish and Ramesh had something common to discuss. As the complement of the verb, for example, Mira's finest art is to flatter, he seems to laugh. As a verb, for example, verb plus infinitive. He studies to pass, he went to market to shop. Adjective के साथ infinitive. English is easy to speak, I am happy to see you. Adverb plus infinitive. She went there to meet, Shrita spoke kindly to leave the room. In passive form, for example, carpet needs to be washed, she is hoping to be elected a captain. Infinitives without to, bare infinitives. इन्फिनेटिव जो हम यूज करते हैं बिना टू के इज कॉल्ड बेयर इन्फिनेटिव. बेयर इन्फिनेटिव्स फॉलो करते हैं सारे रूल्स को जो ऑर्डिनरी इन्फिनेटिव्स फॉलो करते हैं. लाइक वी यूज बेयर इन्फिनेटिव्स आफ्टर मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज जैसे कि शैल, विल, शुड, वुड, कैन, मे, कुड, माइट, मस्ट. एग्जाम्पल्स है इट माइट रेन लेटर इन द इवनिंग, ही कैन प्ले हॉकी. आफ्टर वर्ब जैसे कि बेड, फील, हियर, नो, लेट मी, सी, मेक, सी, वॉच के साथ हम लगाते हैं. जैसे ही मेड मी वेट, आई सॉ हर स्लैप द चाइल्ड. See after, then, and, but, when, but, when, means except. Example, we ate nothing but take a big watermelon the whole day. The business did more loss than the profit. Ab after, had, better, would rather, sooner than, rather than. You had rather better consult your doctor. I would rather go alone. After verbs such as dare and need in negative sentence. I dare not disturb him. He need not wait. Note, in positive sentences में infinitive with to हम use करते हैं after the verb dare and need. I dare to disturb him. Never I dare to disturb him. He needs to wait. Never he needs to wait. Never he needs to wait. Now let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the infinitive and bare infinitive form of the verbs given in the brackets. Like he did not allow me dash to car to drive his car. We can't let them come. He was unable dash her emotions to control. He refused dash to me. He refused to listen to me. So like this you have to fill the correct words. Now joining sentences using infinitives. अब infinitives को हम use करके sentence कैसे join करते हैं? We can join sentences by using infinitives. जैसे example है, team has a captain, he leads other team members. So the team has a captain to lead other team members. अब in the above example we could join two sentences को हम infinitive लगा रहे to lead. अब verb to can also be used along with infinitives to join two sentences. Examples: the boy is very weak, he cannot run fast. The boy is too weak to run fast. इन्फिनेटिव्स को आप यूज कर सकते हो सेंटेंसेस को कॉम्पैक्ट बनाने के लिए. वी ऑल्सो यूज द इन्फिनेटिव टू चेंज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस को इनटू सिंपल सेंटेंस. एग्जांपल्स: I know that she's an intelligent girl. I know her to be an intelligent girl. I expect that I will be selected for the Indian cricket team. I expect to be selected for the Indian cricket team. Now let's do the exercise. Combine the following pairs of sentences using infinitives को हमें use करके इसको join करना है. I have no interest in cricket. I must admit it frankly. So here it will come. I must admit it frankly to have no interest in cricket. She helps the poor. She is anxious to relieve them of sufferings. She helps the poor to relieve them of their sufferings. Like this, you have to complete the sentences. Now, next is participle. Participle does not function partly of a verb and partly of an adjective. Examples: he bought a new pair of running shoes. Seeing the tiger, he ran away. Laughed at by them, he was disappointed. अब इन दी अबव सेंटेंसेस में जो वर्ड्स हैं रनिंग, सीइंग, लाफ्ड, ये फॉर्म्ड होते हैं फ्रॉम द वर्ब्स रन, सी एंड लाफ. देन क्वालिफाई द नाउन शूज, ही एंड प्रोनाउन ही एंड एडजेक्टिव डज. तो ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं देयरफॉर फंक्शन करते हैं वर्ब्स और एडजेक्टिव्स की तरह. दे आर कॉल्ड वर्बल एडजेक्टिव्स और पार्टिसिपल्स. काइंड्स ऑफ पार्टिसिपल्स: देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ पार्टिसिपल्स. एक होता है प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. पार्टिसिपल जो एंड होता है आईएनजी से, जैसे इंटरेस्टिंग, सीइंग एक्सेट्रा, वो प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. वो डिनोट करते हैं इनकम्प्लीट एक्शन और स्टेट, एज आई सॉ अ बॉय रीडिंग अ बुक, वी आर ईटिंग लंच. और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल: पार्टिसिपल दैट डिनोट एन एक्शन और स्टेट विच इज कंप्लीट एंड हेंस नॉट लॉन्गर इन प्रोग्रेस, दे आर कॉल्ड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल यूज करता है एज एन एडजेक्टिव इन पैसिव, अगर वर्ब जो है फ्रॉम विच इट इज डिराइव्ड वो ट्रांजिटिव है. सच पार्टिसिपल्स एंड होते हैं ई एन एन ई डी टी एस. हैरी इज लुकिंग फॉर हिज लॉस्ट पर्स. प्रीता हैज बॉट मी अ गिफ्ट. Terrified child leaped over the wall. The woman was helped by a little boy. Perfect participles: these are formed by adding having or having been or being to the past participle form of the verb. जैसे verb की third form. Having finished his work, he went home. Having heard the sad news, she fainted. अब uses क्या होते हैं participles के? The present participle use करते हैं forming the progressive form, like I am going to the temple now. So going is used with the verb to make the progressive form. Modifying a noun and adjective, verbal adjective. Example: I read an interesting story. Forming a clause: who is the girl making all the toys? Making combines with other words to form a clause. Modifying a verb like in a verb: he came driving his car. The past participle is used for forming the perfect tense. Example: I have parked the car in the garage. Parked is used when verb have to make the present perfect tense. Forming the passive voice: pages of the book were torn. Torn is used with the be verb to make passive voice. Modifying a noun: the children played with excited dog. Excited modifies the noun dog. Now let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the present or past participle of the verb given in brackets. Sophie caught him dash in the kitchen cooking. The dash boy was calling for help. The hurted boy. His reply dash him disappointed him. I am not afraid of dash the truth speaking. Like this, you have to complete this exercise. Now, next, joining sentences using participle. Like infinitives, we can join sentences by using present participle. जैसे कि example है, hungry fox saw a bunch of grapes. It was hanging from a vine. Hungry fox saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a vine. तो in this above example में object जो है first sentence का bunch of grapes वो subject हो जाता है second sentence का it. तो ये दोनों sentences को join किया by removing the subject and auxiliary verb from the second sentence. We usually use the present participle to denote two simultaneous action. Here, seeing or hanging, they're taking एक ही साथ हो रहा है ये. He saw danger, he turned. Seeing the danger, he turned. In the above example, we are talking about two subsequent actions. He. So two sentences they're joined by removing pronoun he हटा दिया और change कर दिया verb see को into participle form that is seek. Now let's do exercise. Join the following sentences. Use the appropriate participle form of the verb. They were driven by the rain. They took shelter under the tree. Driven by the train, by the rain. They took shelter under a tree. He took his gun, he fired. Taking his gun, he fired. I found your book, which had been lost. Like this, you have to complete the exercise. Let's come to the gerund. Read the following sentences. Swimming is a good exercise. She is afraid of flying. A word swimming and flying form do from verb swim and fly by adding ing. They are therefore like verbs. They also do the work of nouns. A gerund is a verbal noun which does the work of a verb and of a noun. Gerunds, they have verbs here in ing form. Gerund has the same form as the present participle, but the gerund acts as a noun rather than a verb or modifier. Usage of gerunds. Gerund being a verbal noun एक use होता है following ways में. As the subject of a verb, like for example, reading is his hobby. Hunting wild animals is illegal. As the object of the verb, for example, he hates telling lies. My uncle taught me dancing. As a complement of the verb, for example, seeing is believing. My hobby is collecting coins. After such verbal phrases as keep on, leave off, give up, put up, burst out, etc. For example, keep on reading, give up stealing. Now, let's do the exercise. Underline the infinitives, participles and gerunds in the following sentences. Now, the first is children love making mud houses. तो making हो गया ना, love making तो ये present participle हो गया यहाँ. सीता likes to dance. अब to dance हो गया तो ये आपका आ गया infinitive. I saw her reading books. तो reading फिर से present participle. And Amit likes to play football. तो to play आ गया फिर से infinitive. Like this, you have to complete the exercise. I hope you all have understood this chapter. You can go through it again. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.